Okay, while I'm here, let's look at the basic things that make up a 59 Dodge front end. General assembly, parts of it, parts needed. First thing is the grill. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts here, another bolt there, another bolt here. These are studs. This is actually made out of aluminum. I believe it's aluminum. Yes, it's aluminum. It's got these bars. These bars connected in the back. It holds them straight to reinforce them. There's a screw here, screw here, screw here. They're all 7/16. They're all 9/16. They're all 7/16. Okay, so now you get the lower valence, which sits on the radiator support, and then they come with these two pieces here. There's just three-piece set of chrome here. These are actually stainless. This is chrome, and it is. It's gonna come off. Another 7/16 bolt. Obviously, the headlight rings. Two screws on the bottom of each one, holding them in. Chrome spot metal. You got horn brackets here on each side, right there. Probably 7/16. They look pretty. It could be 1/4 inch. Those are the kind of screws. They're always. Yeah, most of them are like these guys, with the kind of the lock washer inside. On top of the radiator support. So this is going to come apart. Get a better look at the horn relays. The horn connections. There's that guy sticking out front. These are for the. That's for the grill. That's a grill support. Now this is all pretty simple. This is just the radiator support, and then this valence, this lower valence sits here. Now this guy is going to connect to here. So this looks actually like a big. Oh, that's 7/16. Probably the same kind of bolts. There's some kind of wire clip here. Probably the same kind of pointed. Yeah, it's a pointed bolt too. There's these two here are not pointed, I think. Let's see. They look like that. That's the one that holds the top of the hood latch in. This one comes. Okay, and that's that. 4 bolts. Obviously, the rest of these bolts outside of here, they might attach to the front of the fender. You'll see they attach there. Probably there's 2 bolts there and one out on the end. So that is the lower valence. I wouldn't want to have to make that. Of course, I have a NOS one. So that's it for. Now you can look at this. That's the radiator support, and that's all there is to it. So let's look behind here. Now this is the hood latch up here. That's the hood latch connects to the. There's 4 bolts here. I need to get those off. Technically, here's the 2 bolts here, 1 bolt here that holds on. That's the support, and then the group of bolts that go along top here. Let's see what happens. I'll get this guy off of here. Well, let's look at this first. These are all recent. I don't know if these are original bolts in here. I don't think they probably are. Yeah, that holds that on. And then behind here, well, so here, this thing, you see that's the hood latch. Here's the front cowl support, and then this bar across the front, and it's got a screw there, 2 screws there, 2 screws there. Those are already out, and I would bet money those attach to those bars in the front of the fender. So that's this guy, and then so let's look at the back of this guy. Yeah, these are much more complicated than a 57. So here we have like washer nuts, just trim nuts, which I guess should be fine because you're just holding the trim on. Trim nut. There's the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 per side. 5 trim nuts. These are some kind of welded in spacers. Anyways, I have NOS of this, so if anybody needs this, I have these for sale. And, so that's a 59 Dodge front end. Like I said, should just hooking it to a fender shouldn't be a big deal. Like I said, these hook to these hook to the top of the fenders, and obviously, you know, the valance and the bumpers fit down on there too. You know, because the bumper goes here and here, upper. Anyways, that's a 59 front end basic assembly and disassembly. Oh, another thing, these are actually separate units. These are critical. I mean, you have to make something like this to put a spacer here. And you'll see there's a big square cut here, and these are actually screws, but don't forget those guys if you need them.